Hello. Welcome to our channel, Blue Lollipop English for Kids. In this video we will have a quiz. Can you guess the name of the clothes in English? Let's go. Guess the name of these clothes in English. Pants, dress, skirt, suit. The correct answer is pants. This is a suit. Dress, skirt, or scarf. The correct answer is dress, socks, scarf, skirt, underpants. The correct answer is underpants. These are gloves, shoes, t-shirt, or tie. The correct answer is gloves, bow tie, slippers, cap, scarf. The correct answer is cap, cardigan, skirt, socks, t-shirt. The correct answer is cardigan, shoes, gloves, tie, t-shirt. The correct answer is t-shirt, sneakers, belt, skirt, gloves. The correct answer is skirt, gloves, shorts, t-shirt, socks. The correct answer is socks, blouse, t-shirt, tie, pants. The correct answer is tie, slippers, coat, sneakers, scarf. The correct answer is slippers, belt, suit, coat, skirt. The correct answer is belt, skirt, coat, bow tie, hoodie. The correct answer is coat, scarf, hat, jacket, bow tie. The correct answer is scarf, sweater, coat, sneakers, bag. The correct answer is sneakers. Our video ends here. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give your thumb up and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye.